So I'm going to clip that. Okay. Okay. So it's weird. I thought I uploaded the right video. So apparently, so maybe they switched it. Okay. I don't. So you have to watch the video stream again. I'm not going to do that because I'm getting really angry. Okay. But if you want, you can do that. Okay. So, and I'm going to build. Obviously, I'm going to build a program to check that. Okay. 852. Okay. Wow. 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 Okay. So what happened there is that it didn't detect the length of what I was. So basically, created an 8-hour video. So, I mean, just watch the previous video to see what happened. Okay, the previous video stream. I have it all on stream, so you can see. And basically, it's all black. Okay. So not a problem. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it down. Okay. So there. Here. Okay. Here we go. Let's add a little bit of Lightroom to not to have everything. Whoop. Okay. So it's going to be modified. So so basically, so you have the story about my clothes. I'm going to do that in French. Okay. So you know what? Might do two clips on that. Because the integrity I'm going to clip the YouTube thing though, because it's not because of YouTube, it's because of Premiere Pro. Okay. Okay. So what happened with my clothing? So you see, it seems silly. Huh? It really seems silly, but this is huge in the end. You see, because basically, the goal is for each time you have a problem in life, you see, you try to deduce how to solve that. Okay. So basically, each event in your life is also really huge.